So today, got transmission back from the shop. Had to replace the torque converter and of course the normal rebuild kit and some other bullshit. I forgot what the other main part was, but oh well. It looks new, but I think it's paint, cause still some silver shit on it. Probably a protective heat coat. And gonna fucking get it, put it back in the Mustang, and blah. Alright, so let's see, all I have to do is make sure I put the damn transmission dipstick in the damn hole, and then the inlet and outlets that lead to the radiator, and then another plug that goes in here. I know there's a place where like gear shit. Oh, it's right there. This connects to the freaking automatic shifter plugs. And yeah. And some shit underneath the car where I just have to connect the brake lines. And with torque, you gotta fill it up 3/4 of the fluids and make sure it's 3 clicks while I install it to the shaft. And when I put it to the flywheel, I need to make sure that the drain plug at the bottom right there is aligned right with the flywheel itself. And yeah, pretty much. And it's also a good thing that I have everything bagged and tagged, ready to go. So, with the braking mechanism, I would basically mount, shit, can't freaking see it. I would mount the wire from the main cylinder into this thing, and then mount the other two to the rear with this thing. This is basically a transmission bracket. Once you install it, install these two to the transmission. And then this one basically slides in these two holes here. One's small, one's big, and then you can tell that it has a certain curve that fits into this thing. Like this, there's a hole right there. And with this hole, there's a spring under the car where you gotta connect it to that. Yeah. Alright, well, shit. Guys said it's supposed to align to the flywheel. Well, this isn't much of a flywheel. I don't even know if we can consider it. And they said we're supposed to align the drain bolt to this hole. Well, I see a hole like this, and there's basically the same kind of hole in every spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I figured it won't make much of a difference. I can't find a distinctive difference on this flywheel. I figured just make sure the torque converter gets its 3 clicks in the transmission with its 3/4 quart, and we should do fine. Yep. So now what we're gonna do is basically give some transmission fluid. It's automatic. Of course, we're gonna get automatic transmission fluid. Pop this damn cap off. Look at that. Look how wonderful, clean it is. Oh. And the guy said 3/4, and same as other people I did research with. what the hell is 3/4 exactly? Not sure, but there's a meter thing at the bottom side of this, so what is that? Probably, yeah, just a little bit more. Alright, should be fine. Now what we're gonna do, basically put it in the splines, making sure that it clicks right. Alright, good. Alright, so it's basically in more. I'll pull it out to show how it's supposed to sit, or to try and describe it more. Basically, you have this spline, and come over here. You want this to be inside through this hole, and that'll be the third click. So 1 click, 2 click, third click. Oh yeah. Right now, if you look at the bottom piece, that'll only be 2 clicks. Right now, it's just push and get it. Just turn and push.
Why turn and push?
And yeah, see there.
1, that's 2. Then now the last one it's like this, right?
Yeah.
Yay.
There we go.
Carl Patrick, 2.30 seconds.
So my loveliest. Oh yeah, just so you know, notice how closer it is. Just in case if any of you guys are doing this. Yep. On to the... Alright, after a long, hard-fought battle, try and put the freaking transmission in, it was complicated because, I mean, you gotta align these bolts right here. Yeah, right here. There's 4 total, like this side, opposite side, and 2 at the top side. And you have to align this to the torque converter and make sure the fuck, I forgot what the bolt here on the torque converter, the drain bolt, drain plug, there we go, is in one of these holes, in which there might be in the other 2. But yeah. So transmission, and then just finish bolting up the starter. About to drop this piece of shit. I'll give you a run video, but we got the damn keys. But yeah, finally bolted up. In, it looks new. I mean, you can tell the difference between the new transmission and the old shitty motor. But we got this.
Is it lined up? Take out the stand.